Hello guys, this is Shekar. I am going to show the recycle bin concept in Oracle database. The recycle bin concept in Oracle database is same as the recycle bin concept in desktop. So in desktop, if you want to delete any folder or any file, what we should do? So for suppose I have so many folders, right? I have so many folders. I want to add another folder. I want to create another folder. That is project. Okay. I have two folders now. Among all these folders, I have two folders, Raju 1 and Raju 2. Now I would like to delete one folder. That means one file I would like to delete now. So Raju 1 folder I would like to delete now. So by clicking the Raju 1 folder, I am deleting from this desktop. I am deleting. So it is Raju 1 folder is deleted from this desktop, but not the system. It is deleted temporarily only. So it is not deleted permanently from the system. Where it can be stored? It will be stored in recycle bin of the system. So just we open the recycle bin of this desktop. In this recycle bin, this Raju folder has been stored in this recycle bin. So this Raju folder has been deleted from the desktop from the desktop, and it will be stored in recycle bin. And it is the temporary deletion of a file from the desktop. So if you want to delete a file from a desktop permanently, what we should do, I want to delete this Raju 2 folder permanently by clicking this Raju 2 folder and pressing shift button from the keyboard, shift button and delete button simultaneously from the keyboard. This is the way to delete a folder from desktop permanently. I am clicking shift and delete simultaneously. So there is we got a dialog box from the system. Are you want to delete this file permanently? It is asking like that. So by giving our approval yes, then it will be stored. It will be deleted permanently from the system. It won't be stored in recycle bin. So I am deleting this Raju 2 file permanently from this desktop by clicking S. So it won't be stored in recycle bin. Then you can see in recycle bin. In recycle bin there is no Raju 2 file. Only Raju 1 file is there. This Raju 1 file is deleted from the desktop temporarily, and it will be stored in recycle bin of the system. So as this concept as similarly to happens to the recycle bin of a database. If you want to restore this saved file in recycle bin by clicking this folder, by clicking this file, we get an by clicking the right mark of the mouse, we get an option to restore this file from recycle bin to our desktop. I'm clicking the restore option to get this folder again onto the desktop. So I got this folder onto the desktop, but Raju 2 folder is permanently deleted from the desktop. We can't we can't get it back to the desktop. From this concept is from this recycle bin concept in desktop, we can easily understand the recycle bin concept in Oracle database. It is same as the desktop concept. So I will show you the figure of the process in what will be happens in database. I will show the figure. This is the deletion concept in database. This is the deletion concept in database. Let us assume this is the desktop. This is Oracle database is a desktop. So we are deleting one file from this desktop, and it will be storing into the recycle bin. It will be storing into the recycle bin. and there is a option to permanently delete from this recycle bin, and it will be going to the burning state. Other way, in other hand, this let us assume this database is a desktop. If you want to delete this file permanently here only, then we have a query is like the drop table table name purge. So from this command, from this query, we can permanently delete this file from desktop only. So from the database only, we can directly delete that file permanently, without using any without storing our file into recycle bin. We have another way to delete this file permanently. So let us see the concept in database, what will be happens. For this concept, I have just created a table. That table name is school. I want to show the records of that school 1. The table name is school 1. Let's start from table name school 1. So this is our table. I'm going to delete this table from the database. If I delete this table from this database, it will be stored in recycle bin of the database. I will show you the concept. Delete means data in database terminology. Delete means drop. So now I want to drop this table, and I want to drop this table, and the table will be stored in recycle bin of the database. For dropping the table, we have a command. Command is drop table name. Drop table name. This is the query for the deleting any table. Here what we need to do is, instead of table name, we have to give our table name. So by removing this table name, I'm giving our table name school 1, and I'm clicking enter. So table is dropped. There is no table in database. It will be stored in recycle bin. Then how can we see the recycle bin of a database? For that purpose only, we have one query. That query is select object underscore name, comma, original underscore name from recycle bin. Yeah, this is the delete. All deleted files have been stored in recycle bin of the database. And now we deleted school 1 table. School 1 table is available in this recycle bin. This is the deleted table, our deleted table stored in a recycle bin. So again, if you want to delete any table permanently from the database, if you don't want to store that table into the recycle bin of a database, then we have another query. The query is, suppose I will show you another table. School 2 table. This is the another table. I want to delete this table from database. I want to delete this table permanently from database only. So it won't be stored in recycle bin. For that purpose, I have a query. I will show you that query. Drop table name purge. This is the query used to delete the table from the database permanently, and it won't be stored in recycle bin of the database. What we should do, instead of table name, I am giving our table name. School 2. School 2. Yeah, school 2 is deleted. So let us see school 2 is available in this database or not. Select star from school 2. Table or view does not exist. That means there is no table in this database. There is no such table in this database. It is showing like that. So will it be stored in recycle bin? Can we see that? Select object underscore name original underscore name from recycle bin. I am opening recycle bin of a database. For opening recycle bin of a database, this is the query we use. So these are all temporarily deleted tables have been stored in this recycle bin. We want to see our school 2 table is there or not. Searching from top to bottom. School 1 is there, but school 2 is not there. So that means our school 2 table is permanently deleted from database only. It will not be stored in recycle bin. So if you want to temporarily delete any table, we have a query is drop table name. Drop table name, and I will show you in the notepad. If you want to drop the table from database temporarily, this is the query. This is temporarily deleting from database and will be stored in recycle bin of the database. Next, if you want to delete the table permanently from database only, then we have a query is drop table name. Here there is a key purge. If you enter this query, we can drop the table. That means we can delete the table from database permanently without storing into recycle bin of the database. This is the query. So if you see the first query, if you use this first query, the table will be deleted. Table is deleted and will be stored in recycle bin, right? After it has been reached to the recycle bin, again if we want to restore it into database, then we have a command flashback to table name to before drop. This is the command. This is a command to restoring get this is the command. This is a query for get restoring a table from recycle bin to again database. Yeah, this is the commands using in recycle bin concept in database. So let us see this flashback command in database. Yeah, so for this we have to see the recycle bin. The tables list in the recycle bin is this is the data dictionary to view the list of the tables in recycle bin. Temporarily deleted items are available in this recycle bin. Yeah, these are all temporarily deleted tables and will be stored in this recycle bin. I want to restore any one of these tables. I want to restore school 1. I want to restore now. I want to restore this school 1 now. So for this school 1, I'm typing the command. I'm typing the query is flashback table name. Which table I want to restore to the database from the recycle bin. School 1. School 1 table name is flashback to table name is school 1. Flashback school 1 to before drop. This is same as the reset from the reset. If you want to, this is same as the concept in desktop also. If you want to restore the deleted file from the recycle bin of a desktop, we can simply click on the restore option. For this database, we need to use this query flashback school to before drop. Yeah, spelling is mistaken. Spelling is mistaken. Query is mistaken. Flashback table name is school 1 to before drop. Yeah, flashback is completed. Now you can see a table is stored in database or not. Yeah, it is there now. It is there in database, and again, if you check whether it is available in recycle bin or not. For that purpose, I have to use this query. I have to copy this query and I want to view the recycle bin whether the school 1 table is there or not. So this is the recycle bin list from top to bottom. School is there, but school 1 is not there. This is the concept in this is the recycle bins concept in database. It is like it is almost similar to the recycle bin concept in desktop. Thank you, bye all.